Have you ever seen an industrial printer print labels this quickly? It is incredible. This is the TSC MX series printer. It is the fastest industrial label printer you can buy in Australia right now. Let's see how long it takes to print 100 labels. Ready, set, go. Just look at that. My eyes can't even keep up. And done. Wow, just 10 seconds. And you see how the labels are rewound inside the printer too? This is optional, but it could be really useful for batch printing. It keeps everything neat and tidy. Let's see what the finished print looks like. Ha, I can read that, even with my glasses off. Super dark and super crisp. The MX range is tough and durable too, so it's suitable for use in harsh environments. It's also got this beautiful 4.3-inch full color touchscreen. With TSC Standalone Creator, I can design my label template on a PC and then set my variable information right here on the touch panel. Choose how many copies, calibrate the sensor for your labels, and print. Easy as. And if that's not useful to you, the standard printer menu is accessible on this big touchscreen, plus buttons underneath for those of you who wear gloves, have fat fingers, or are more than 55 years old. Are you tired of replacing your printer after 1 or 2 years and want something that will stand the test of time? Are you sick of waiting around for your labels to print? Do you need greater speed and efficiency in your printing operations? This printer could give you all of this and more. Get in touch with me today for a quote.